man send himself home. So even though not that spirit still on the roam, remember now it's a body versus soul. No, whatever soul is in that body, using that body in that form of capacity to all of you guys know it. Know that soul exit that body.
Welcome back, viewers and subscribers. You know that we are going to talk about what the description says, so just subscribe. You don't know that, appreciated. Yes, so this pastor Kevin O. Smith recently, meeting an accident, guys, and the same accident caused him to lose his life. You see me? So right now we have some very interested topics in other videos, so stick around because this bigger, this fresher than anybody else topic right now. You see me? Right, so in the same accident, guys, we just want to make it clear, say, and him alone dead. You see me? So an officer by the name of Ocean, you see me? Him also died in this morning crash while transporting the pastor Kevin Smith to Kingston to you see me? So it kind of set a way in every farmer way can check it out, but channel. And but just want to make it clear, guys, say at the Gleaner post the confirmation about the passing away of pastor. Be a pass, but I don't think no pass to the heaven. Anyways, RT boss, I make the people know this bigger than we want to think. Spiritually, him leave the body as something bigger than we want to think. You see me?
Many of you see what's going on right now, say the man dead. You can say him dead. Yes, he's dead physical, but this is what I want you to understand. The minute that the orders has been blown and it blew up, what you expect the man for go jail? Me tell you already, it's very high. No jail. Remember me tell you in the last video, say, we are going to talk about court and police and this and that. Watch out the outcome. Because the end of the day is, you know what happened? Into your eye, the man dead. The man not dead. The man gone home. What I want you to understand is, if you watch the video when him circulate around the internet, or the man just quiet, the man gone home, people. The spirit in the body, the assignment is compromised. So therefore, the man take himself home. So the man go home with the police and carry people with him. When you come talk about court, you ever hear no history like that in a Jamaica, where you hear them the same thing that dig up on the ground. You maybe wonder why you are hear this now and what. So where you did expect, where did hear judge attack, where you need to do say an accident, no spiritual number, the man send himself home. So even though not that spirit still on the roam, remember now it's a body versus soul. No, whatever soul is in that body, using that body in that form of capacity to all of you guys know it. Know that soul exit that body because the body compromised. So therefore, him left the body, but the spirit and that order and that soul still there. It's going to go into somebody else. If you understand spirituality, let me go again. So for you the dunce people who want to understand spirituality, yes, in your eyes him dead. But for me who understand spirituality, who know about it, yes, judgment kill him. No, the man is a demonic order. What you expect? No. If the man that's so good and them mash up him mission and cover the blow, what you expect should get him out? No, most dead. No, you should want to know how him played so. Now watch the letter. And today when they are going to charge him, today when they are going to sentence him, or whatever you want to call it, the man sentenced himself, him go home. No, it's no gunshot and whatever. The man send himself home. No, it's a letter to leave the body. So the fact that when you was watching the video and see the man just calm and everybody was macry and them a go on and the video go viral and he was so calm and so forth, that the body there is on the last agenda. That means the spirit gone. So the body is a take time and melt down. People never understand that, The man play him one dead. So it's a letter in play to escape. Yes, the flesh dead. Yes, the flesh dead. But watch the orders. Who know about spirituality? You don't know when you go good Wobia man and you go good science man. And you say, boy, you want to fuck up somebody. And the man good like that him fling you some car accident and blood clot happen. Come, who don't know the 100 from long time before these numbers are blow. Now the end of the day is, him a bad science man for himself. So him play the numbers to go home. Me not call him say, if me call it say, me not call it say him dead. Why me no want to say him dead? Me say him gone home because me know bigger than that. That body gone home, the spirit still there. Hey. Wanna get the levels? Ain't no coincidence a big accident on the day when them a go charge him. The man dead, so. And the way him love sacrifice so bad, him have to take some with him too. Then I say somebody dead too. You have to understand what's going on. The only escape and through that orders, no, Andrew the politician, I have nothing to do with it. In the sense of the killing right now. It is not a coup. It's not a setup. It's not no police or nobody's organize it for say yes, make it look so. No. It's an escape plan for him. For his spiritual platform. No, for you know who out there where hate him and surrender. Yeah, him not there. Him not dead. Him just leave that body. The mission compromise. You see where you are look on? You are look on the flesh part, the big fat man, the frog face. And they say you there, the frog face. But I'm not looking at the big fat man, the frog face. Me I look on what is using the big fat man, the frog face. So the big fat man, the frog face has left, because everybody see the body there. But what is using the big fat man, the frog face, not dead, it's still the boat. You get the message? That's the best way it could play out. And ask yourself again, why on the day when him get sentenced as called to the news I get charged? And ask yourself again, why on the time when him I get transferred? And ask yourself again, why that the accident there, and ask the police now to calculate the accident. It's a mystery. So what I want you to know, I'm not celebrating that the man dead. No time not to celebrate. I am worrying now where that spirit relies, where that spirit God know. Cause the big fat man dead, but the spirit out there now. Gone back to the energy where I use that energy now. People, let me explain something to you. When I see this case come out, I laugh after do whole lot of unu. Uno listen to what I talk. Because all of uno look on this as a little papi show thing. When uno should have stressing on themselves, I say, but why something like this come out? I mean, know them thinking there a long time. But why now? The man violated hard and the time have to go. So in other words, how I read it and me I hope money I ever read it now. Any satanic orders and spiritual orders he was playing with him colleagues, them. It seems like, as you can realize, remember the man Albill Hawk? Remember him called for himself Bill Excellent? So it's like he was over the bunch, like, you know, when Lucifer and God in them the energy there. So it looked like he was out of the bunch and too much. You know, see, I'll motivate him and move hotter than all the Prime Minister. So him did a go on in them two then them irate. Him is Mr. Excellent and Excellent and move better than the Governor General. So him go out of him blood clot bunch, so them bound him. And it look like when them boundary that not good enough. So what I'm trying to say to you is, he end up have to close the orders to leave the body. Because them scandal, man, already scandal, is just to draw awareness. How can this close out? Then you did want this man to go court and come talk who him send for, and who him do this, and who him put in a power, and this and that. No. Change the body. Moving forward, because we not come to do no reading, so that I got surprise when me just come to chat about this. I believe going forward, there is a little spell remain on the police force. Now, get on frightened. I remember when I believe in me, so then again, I don't have to really listen to what me I say, but people are sensible hear it. You see, you have to understand, whatever energy this goal, so I am looking at least like 100 and had. It should be 144 people now, so this is like 170. And police has to go. So this man sacrificed for himself and gone out of the body now, but that soul of a lick some police. So the police orders now where may I try to tell who don't know up on the road now, who have to be careful because who know if to drop like fly.